Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Medaros, and for today's quick tutorial and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if you're coming across an issue on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer and the error message reads, "Please wait for the GPS BC." Kung paano ba or ano ba ang ibig sabihin ng GPS BC? Or ito yung tinatawag na Group Policy Client Service as an account management utility in every Windows OS iterations. It is used to manage user accounts and their environment. The GPS BC is a part of the backend processes which communicates between various components like the RPC server, WinLogon service, and more. GPS-BC communicates to load various policies after cross-checking the computer and the user configurations. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu and then dito sa search for apps. So type mo lang dito yung services and then click mo lang dito yung open. And then dito sa services local, so ang next step ay i-locate lang natin yung Group Policy Client Service. Okay? So scroll down and then hanapin natin dito yung Group Policy Client. Okay? Ito siya. So dito ka naman mag-double click and then pop up itong kanyang Group Policy Client Properties. So ang next step dito lang sa General and then dito lang sa Startup Type. So dapat naka-automatic po siya. And then next step, it's sa baba, kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung apply and then click mo lang dito yung okay. Alright, so click mo yung okay. And then next step, so close lang natin tong services and then dito lang ulit sa search menu and then dito sa search for apps. So i-type mo lang dito yung CMD or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt. So kailangan mo lang mag-right click and then select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control and then click mo lang dito yung yes. And then dito sa administrator command prompt ay kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword sfc /scan now. So in all small letter lahat and then yung /scan now ay one word po yan. And then press mo lang yung enter. And makikita mo na dito na beginning system scan, this process will take some time, beginning verifications phase of system scan. So dito ay kailangan lang natin hintay na ma-complete ang verifications into 100%. And finally, makikita mo na dito na verifications 100% complete. And then next step, so close lang natin itong CMD and then kailangan lang natin mag-restart. Okay, so click mo lang yung start menu and then dito i-click mo lang itong restart. Alright, so ganun na po ka-simple on how to fix "Please wait for the GPS BC" screen error in Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.